we will fix Frigidaire Dishwasher error code i20, drain blockage, filter clean and reset guide. So firstly, you can firstly clean the dishwasher filter. Turn off the dishwasher and open the door. Then remove the bottom rack. Then twist and pull out the filter from the bottom. Then wash the filter with warm water and the soft brush. Then put the filter back and lock it in a place. After that, you can check the drain hose for blockage. Firstly, you can turn off power and water supply. Then pull the dishwasher out slightly. Then find the drain hose at the back. And then remove the hose and check for claws or bends. Then clean the hose and reconnect it properly. After that, you can clean the air gap or a garbage disposal. Here you can remove the air gap cap if installed and then clean inside using a water or a small brush. After that, at last, you can reset the dishwasher. Turn off the dishwasher and unplug it or switch off the circuit breaker and then wait for 5 minutes. Then restore power and start a new cycle. So these are the steps that can help you to fix this problem. Goodbye.